Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. William G. Morgan was the person who invented volleyball in 1895. He worked as a physical director at the Young Men's Christian Association. He created the game as a less tiring alternative to basketball, especially for older people. From Mintonit to volleyball. At first, the game was called Mintonit. Later, the name was changed to volleyball because players volley hit the ball back and forth over a net without letting it touch the ground. Introduction in the Philippines. Volleyball was introduced in the Philippines by American teachers during the early 1900s. It quickly became popular in schools, especially among students and women. It is now one of the most FIVB in PVF, Federation International de Volleyball, the international organization that manages volleyball worldwide. Philippine Volleyball Federation (PVF), the official volleyball organization in the Philippines that handles local competitions and development. That's all and thank you. Wassalam.